What's up, everybody? We are going over cloud tokens. So it's well with blockchain academics. Let me put that so you guys could see me. Okay, just a second. Perfect. Hope you guys are having a great morning. It's actually 2 p.m. That's just the crypto lifestyle. So we're going to go into cloud token. These are popular crypto scams. I'm trying to save as many people as I can and let as many people in the cryptocurrency and even people who aren't in cryptocurrency be more aware of these scams. So what we're looking today is at cloud token. And why I say people that aren't in cryptocurrency, it's because a lot of people that aren't participants in the market already, they get lured into these like high yielding investment like schemes or programs, and then they think they can make money quick with Bitcoin because they're unfamiliar with crypto, they're unfamiliar with Bitcoin, and they end up just getting scammed. So there's a few cloud token websites. I'm just gonna go cloud token wallet. There was, I think, this one. So basically, this is a Chinese, I'm just going to grab a few more. So just off the top, you can for sure know it's a scam when you see all these referral codes and look at all these different websites trying to basically lure you in. With these Ponzi schemes, you have people at the top. You know, it's like a pyramid. Or a triangle, and people, we have what do you call them, downlines and uplines. So whoever brings you in is getting paid, and I'm going to go over all of this. So cloud token is a Chinese multi-currency crypto wallet in the form of a mobile application that you can install on your smartphone. By clicking just a few buttons, you can send your cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, or other coins to the trust of cloud management. So cloud management, they're saying they have a trading bot or a trading strategy that can earn you 6 to 12% per month. So if we just take the calculator out, 6 to 12%, let's add both of those. Let's get the average. I think that's 9 divided by 2. I just screwed that up. What was the 6 plus 12 divided by 2? Yeah, it's 9. I don't know how I screwed that up. So 9% per month is the average. And think about that. Traditional banks won't offer you 9% a year. The S&P 500, I think from like 1920, per year has done 10%. So these guys are potentially, they're claiming they can do just as good with their proprietary trading system and their trading bot, which it just doesn't make sense. So it's not sustainable. Just looking at that, at $100,000, 9% or even 10%, that's $10,000. Every month they're giving you profitably. You know what I mean? And it gets like deeper than that. These guys are offering, check out how much they're offering in affiliates payments. So 100% daily profit, 50%, 5%, 15%, 20%. We'll go into the different ways you can earn money with them, but it's just like they're offering such a, it sounds too good to be true. They're offering 6 to 12% per month. They're giving up to 100 to 50 to 5 to 25% in affiliate commission. So if I bring in somebody and they invest $100,000, I potentially could earn up to 50,000 or 25,000 of that of his investment. So it's a clear just Ponzi, pay old investors and pay out old investors and get new people in and spend as much as you can on marketing. And they're obviously pocketing a ton of it. A ton of it is going into these guys' pocket. This guy is essentially the face of it, Ron Eldai. I don't know if I'm saying his name correctly, but so you can see that you also earn CTO token, their token. You get profit in CTO. So you're not getting profit in Bitcoin. You're not getting profit in USD or any other profitable coins. You're getting profit in CTO tokens, which the price is consistently growing. Let's go to Cto Token Market Cap. So I already searched this. We go to CTO token. It's a whole different token, crypto, CTO. They don't even have a spot on CoinMarketCap. If you don't have a spot on CoinMarketCap, you're not serious, because look at this. This is, where does it say the place of the coin? I thought it was somewhere right here. Okay, anyways, look at their market cap, 59,000, 6.4 BTC. Some of you guys have more than their market cap, you know, and if they're paying out hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars, because crypto, Cloud Token has been very trendy. A lot of people are in it. We're going to go into some of the people who have invested. So let's get back to this website. So you can see this guy's big fat referral registration code, and you can't, I guess, get into the fund without a registration code. So they're also paying in the token, and we are just going, and you can see refers to the project as opportunity, high risk earning. These kind of projects work on human greed. Do not forget to withdraw the earned. What does that even mean? That just kind of, you know, pointing to the future. It's telling you that withdraw and don't leave your money in there, because potentially you can lose it. So without the code, registration is impossible. Here's the Cloud Token developer. We're going to look at into other websites, so you can see Cloud 2.0 has came out, something super similar, just all scams. So another one here, here's the referral code. These guys have set up like pretty decent websites, so it looks essentially legit to people, because you have the Cloud Prepaid Debit MasterCard, which is probably never coming out, the Cloud SIM card, which I'm going to go into, and why they're releasing a Cloud SIM card, and then they have the wallet. So there's a few red flags. First of all, this is the guy's Facebook, but if you are, where was it, depositing into a wallet, you don't know anything about these guys. Let's look at, there's no information on where they're from. You know, if we go to their Facebook, we go to their Twitter, we go to their Instagram. Cloud 2.0. They have 1,300 followers. Let's see if we can find any posts from them. OTC will support. Nothing too interesting on here. Just trying to look for a location. A super digital asset wallet joined June 2019. It's like a few months ago. Yeah, you see, I would not download a wallet from a random, literally a random Chinese wallet that is offering lucrative, unsustainable, crazy returns. Because now, you know, if you're not even in the fund, you are exposing yourself to losing all that money. First of all, you are having your cryptocurrency and your assets on a wallet that you have no idea about the creators or where they're from, or any of that information. And they're already so many red flags with their investment and what they're offering. So I definitely would not store your funds on there. You want to store your funds on hardware wallets. I have a few I can show you, like the Bitfi, the Tracer. You know what I mean? I got a Tracer right here. I got a the camera's kind of going funky. 2 Tracers, a Ledger, this Keep Key. We got a couple contests that are coming out. We are doing some giveaways. We are getting a ton of wallets. We have a potential partnership with a huge exchange and hardware wallet. So we're going to do some giveaways, some Bitcoin giveaways. So make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. We're going to be calling out crypto scams all day. These piss me off. I'm going to go like why they piss me off, because when I started getting more into cryptocurrency, I'm just trying to pull this up. I actually invested into one as well. And like a lot of people, they are kind of embarrassed to say they lost money or they did a dumb move, but like, I lost, I'll be honest, about 10 Bitcoins. You can see I deposited 5. The last deposit was 19. This was just accumulated from here. It says they owe me 106 Bitcoins, earned total 143. And then the website shut down, the Facebook shut down, their email support shut down. And it was crazy because I was just flying to Italy, and as soon as I landed, all of that happened. Like I sent it, took the flight, from North America to Europe, it's longer. Took the flight, landed, everything was gone. So it just happened so quick. Great way to start my vacation, but it's a lesson. And some people need expensive lessons before they learn, because we're on this guy's Facebook page. And I'll give you a little bit more info about Cloud Token. They have started declining withdrawals. They're not sending any money back to people. I think there's a holdup in their withdrawals. So people who have invested can't get their money out. And that is a huge problem, very huge. So you can see here, November 4th, he said, this is the founder apparently, Ronald A. I. Dear all, I'll be actively using Cloud Chat for my news updates. So for the latest information, please use Cloud Chat. So he's trying to get more people to get onto the platform, using the platform, and things like that, because there's more chances of people investing into it and investing into their other products. So apparently they have a SIM card that's coming out, and the only way people can get their deposits or withdrawals back, or to get withdrawals, are by buying new products. So that's like that's another red flag, just sending more money in order to get your money back. You see that all the time. So let's gather and get in before he ran away. Locate his family members, children and relatives. We need to get our funds back. We're nothing when we are alone, but together we're strong. 99.99%, all the money's gone. These guys have all lost out. We're always waiting for the latest update. This week will be very important for cloud because everything's frozen right now. I wrote you on chat, still wait for an answer. Not getting that answer, obviously. You can see, check your PM. You should not be blocking me and others for speaking the truth. Justin, you need to do the right thing and unblock me from the Power Stream Cloud Token, whatever. So a lot of people complaining, and there's a lot of people following me. There's a lot of people following this post, and yeah, I feel a lot of people don't want to come to the conclusion like that they lost money, so they wait, and they even potentially send more. And if I would highly suggest not to send another dollar. And it kind of teaches you, like I said, sometimes it's expensive, these expensive lessons that teach us. So we're going to look at Cloud Token Scam and look at other information. So we're not going to watch that. That's another YouTube video. So here is Ronald. And he was, when I was referring to the Sims, I was saying we use trading revenue to pay investors. Facade is being replaced by mandatory SIM card service, although official details have yet to be released. So essentially, they have paused all withdrawals, and they now need new revenue from SIM card sales and other things they have, upsells and things like that, where they're going to use to try and pay out old investors and try and lure new investors keep accepting with deposits into their fund, which is just a scam. And into their wallet, which they'll probably just exit scam. So they have changed the withdrawal system, which is another red flag. So when one of these companies start, blaming processing or banks, or they have to change because maybe of high volume, that's like when they're ready to kind of run away because things are falling apart. Maybe their processing did shut down because they have so many chargebacks or so many complaints, or it's by crypto. So I don't see how depositing out, especially their coin or cryptocurrency, would be a problem. So it says, so basically what happens is when you actually click on convert, it sends you out to the OTC Ribbons, the company where you will be putting an order for sale. And the other members, when they click on the top, on the pop-up button for the cloud SIMs, they'll go to the OTC to check where they can buy from. So Ribbons is another company Cloud Token has essentially created for withdrawals. So they're just super fishy. That's just my quick piece on Cloud Token. You can see how heavy they are on getting referrals and offering these lucrative, very, very crazy returns. And we didn't take a look at the affiliate. Don't want to go to the Forex broker. We didn't take a look at Cloud Token Wallet, the affiliate program, which just definitely is another red flag right away, because let's see what these guys are offering. So first line, 100% of daily profit. So I feel like that means if somebody's at the top, I'm assuming like first line, they're at the top, they get 100% of daily profit. So that doesn't make sense to me, because that's like the people you see, Ronald, this guy, he's a first line potentially, and other people, maybe his friends, or he could just be the face of it. So it could be the people behind who are first in line and they're earning 100% daily profit. That's crazy. Somebody deposits $100,000. What does that mean? How much are they getting? Second in line, 50% of the profit. Third to 10th line, 5% of the profit. If your total team turnover is 200,000, if you have 16 partners on the first line, you get the rank C1 and you begin to receive 10% of partners' profit from the third line to infinity. Like, it's kind of confusing, but all I see is just heavy, very large affiliate payouts, which are definitely, signal scam. So, and they're paying out in their own crypto token. Wallet doesn't seem anything too special, just flashy. A lot of these things are just very flashy. Stay away from Cloud Token. I wouldn't invest into it. There's a ton of news circulating right now about potential exit scam and things like that. So you try and get your money, report them, and stay away from these high investment opportunities. Wouldn't you want to learn how to trade your own Bitcoin? Wouldn't you want to learn how to just invest your own money in crypto, or own money in cryptocurrency and other traditional assets? It's very easy. That's what motivated me after losing some cryptocurrency. It just gave me a little bit that spark, lit that fire for myself, just to learn how to do it myself, how to learn how to do it, and not trust other people with my hard-earned money or Bitcoin. So I just learned how to do it myself, invest into myself, invest into traditional markets, cryptocurrency markets, and things like that. So that's just my goal, to be able to consistently make profits and just do it for myself, and stay away from these lucrative, false defrauding. I can just keep going on with these companies. So there's one every day. Crypto token is hot right now. There will be another one tomorrow, another one next week, another one next year. It doesn't stop. So just watch out. Don't send your cryptocurrency to anybody. Don't trust any high yield investment program. Ask other people. Search as well. Like, let's take a search. Cloud token scam. Look at how many scam articles, videos, and information just on this. 10 reasons why it's a scam. You know what I mean? So you want to do your research. You want to talk to other people. You want to ask other people, because you want to get other perspectives, other voices. And these guys have definitely went deeper, and like probably Etherscan. Yeah, you can see no trading proof, white paper, promise of high ROI, another Ponzi scheme. So do the research, ask for new perspectives, hear those new voices out. Ask people, because it might sound good in your head, but when you actually say it out loud and you're asking somebody, they're going to point out all the flaws, all the red flags. Like I said, just empower yourself, learn how to do it yourself. There's so many resources out there. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment. I'll see you guys in the next video.